This is the Getting Started video for new resellers on next steps after signing up. So after we send you the welcome email with your username and password, that will allow you to log into the back office where you will find all of the training material, plus this is where you will log into the SMS platform. So you're going to go to our back office, you're going to go to resellers.avidmobile.com. It's going to take you to a screen like so, and this is where you will put in that username and password that we automatically send you with your welcome email. Go ahead and click login. This will take you to the home page. And this, right off the bat, you can see this dashboard tab is actually where you will find the Avid Mobile SMS platform. And depending on if you're using the United States platform or the Canadian platform, you will click on the button that will take you inside to your actual platform. So clicking on it right there takes you right inside, and you can access all of your accounts from there. Up top, you can see that we have a ticket system where you can submit support help tickets. We have a knowledge base, so if you run into any problems, we have some frequently asked questions or issues that we've had in here in our knowledge base and the answers to those. And under reseller content is where you can find all of the PowerPoint presentations and training videos. So you can see right here, if I want to listen to any of the webinars or training videos, I just click on that link. And it tells you the name of that video, and it gives you the link to go to it. Best suggestion would be to start out getting familiarized with the platform. And our YouTube channel has all of the about 33 videos on here we've uploaded on how to run each campaign type, how to build mobile websites, everything you're going to need to know for setting up campaigns in the platform. So you can find them right over here. Are mostly webinars given by Rob covering certain industry specific sales pitches and other things like that. So when you have time to look over those as well, that's great. Try and watch as many of those as you can, because just a lot of information in each one of those webinars. And then you can also find all of the PowerPoints under reseller content. Right in here. So once you've looked through that and you're ready to go back to the platform, your first step after you log in, it's going to take you to a page that looks similar to this. It's going to be branded with your company's logo and your company information. From there, to set up your first demo account so you can start building mobile websites, doing keyword campaigns, and things like that, you're going to create a demo account for your company. To do this, you need to add a reseller account. Put the name of your company up top. Contact name would be your contact name for this demo account, but for resellers that you're signing up, it would be their contact information. So you would fill all this out for your reseller, your client. URL extension is usually just going to be the name of the company. As you can see, when you start typing, what it does is it gives you that full URL that they can actually log in from. The logout URL is if you would like to redirect them to a different website or domain when they log out, you could put it right in here. You can add that reseller's logo by browsing and finding the image right there. And in the billing section, this is where you set their pricing. So the name of the plan that they signed up with, for example, Tier 1. And then you'll just put in those numbers that they signed up with, their package pricing. So the base rate is going to be the monthly rate that they're paying you. So $199 a month, that would go right there. Outgoing message quota is going to be how many messages we're giving them in this package. Maybe it includes 500 free messages. If so, we would put that in this box. And then if they go over those 500 messages, how much are we going to charge them for an overage rate? So you would put, for example, 6.5 cents in this box, if that's going to be the overage rate per text. Incoming messages, we don't charge you for, so you don't need to charge your resellers or clients. Only on the Canadian platform do they get charged for that, so you don't need to worry about that. Keyword quota, we give you unlimited keywords as well, but if you want to charge your resellers or clients, you can put in a quota, say 5, and then if they go over that amount, we'll give them an overage rate per keyword. Say maybe it's going to be $9.99. And what this does is when you set those numbers on your billing statement, it will calculate that invoice automatically for you based on those values. So when we are done, and when it has successfully finished, you will have that reseller as in your list right below. So you can actually click L to log in to that reseller's account. Where we'll have to do this one more time for the demo, for your demo account. So we're going to go in and add a new client. URL extension is going to be the same thing. We're just going to make it, it's going to be the company name normally, so we'll just do and once again it gives you the full URL when you start typing. Logout redirect URL. If we want to redirect them to a different domain when they log out, we would put that there. Customer readable name is going to be the name of the company. We can upload the customer's logo so it shows up when they log into their account. Powered by logo would be your logo. Powered by link would be your website. Once again, in the contact information section, this is where you're going to put that client's contact info. And under login is where you give that client their own username and password to log in from. You set it up initially and they can always go back and change it. Main thing to remember on here is to always give the same admin username as universal username. So for this, I would want to use the same exact thing in these two boxes and then set their password to whatever you would like. That's where you're going to put their email address. Basic GUI is simple things in the dashboard if you want to change colors or fonts, anything like that. Campaign limits, this is where you set their limits. By default, they will always be these numbers, but if you want to limit them to certain campaign types, for instance, say you know they won't be using the text-to-screen campaign, you could actually put 0 in that box, and they won't see that as an option when they log in to their account. They won't even see that campaign type in there. So you can set those restrictions right there. Extra features, enable FTP static group upload allows for you or your client to upload a large contact list into the platform. It needs to be in an Excel spreadsheet, but we can, if they already have mobile numbers that they want to upload and use as part of their campaigns, we can do that. You would just need to enable FTP static group upload. The Contact Manager view is our appointment reminder module. So for dentist office, for doctor's offices, all those kinds of places that are going to send out appointment reminders via SMS, you would want to enable this feature. Mobile website builder is if they're going to be building mobile websites. And the list track integration is only for clients or resellers who use ListTrack to send out emails. So if they don't use ListTrack for email marketing, don't even worry about that. Under billing, once again, this is where you set the prices that they signed up with. So the plan name is whatever you set them up with. We'll just say Tier 2. And base rate is that monthly price. Outgoing messages or outgoing message quota is how many messages that are included with their package. And then if they go over that number, what are we going to charge them for an overage per message, right? Incoming, once again, you most likely won't use this unless you're on our Canadian platform. And then the keyword quota is how many keywords we're giving them. And if we want to charge them for going over that, we can definitely do so. If you want to put any specific notes in here to help you remember your clients or resellers, this is where you could put customer specific notes. And once you're done with that, and when you have done it successfully, it will give you this message, and you'll just go back or to home actually, and then you will see now that client is in my list of clients, and now I can log in. So for setting up any campaigns, we're going to go to the Campaign Manager view side, and from here you can set up your virtual business card, build mobile websites, and all that good stuff. So we have all of those videos, those tutorial videos on our YouTube channel if you want to find those. This has been the video on getting started for new resellers. Thanks.